going on, y'all? This is Jason. I've got my 91 Camaro here, and I'm going to replace the windshield wiper blades. We've got some Bosch Spectrum DirectFit. They're 18 inch. It's a C1806. That's what O'Reilly's website said I needed, so that's what we're going to try and put on there. So what I've got on here right now is some Duralast. So you know I didn't pay too much money for that. Hey, like this. I don't know how old they are. I didn't document when I put them on here, but man, this thing is sure is dry rotted. The other one is in worse shape than that. You can see it hanging down there. So let's see if we can get these taken off here. I'm gonna get me a towel first so I can put it underneath here. I realize this windshield is all busted up. The last thing I need is another crack in it. All right, let me get me something. Got us a towel under it. Let's see if I can take this thing off one-handed. If I remember, these things didn't go on here too well. I have to get me a screwdriver, stick it in between here, and prise them apart. Okay, let's see if we can do this one-handed. Know them all over the place. I stuck it in between here and prized them apart. Y'all, look, normally I wouldn't lay screwdrivers and stuff all over my car, but the clear coat is gone. I really need to get this car painted. So I can't stand somebody abusing a vehicle like that, but right now I just don't have the money to pay to have a car painted. So, all right. Duralast. I don't know how long Duralast lasted. So if you see, it's just like a little pin. It's my hope that it fits this one good. But otherwise I gotta figure out something like flipping this stuff around or all that kind of stuff. Whether we go this way or the other way. So it's going to go on like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-fit it, then I'll show you what I did. Okay, y'all. See how one hole is larger than the other? I went ahead and snapped it into this one, but it seemed real sloppy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this middle piece out and flip it around and try it on this hole. Okay, to take it out, I just pushed and it comes out and looks like this. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it around like this. That way the receiving hole is in this smaller hole. And we'll see how this works out. See, I put it back in and it's going to just require a snap to snap it back in place. I may or may not be able to do this one hand. There we go. Snapped it back in place. Okay. See this little tab here? If you want, when you go to take it back off, you push down on the tab and it relieves the pressure from it holding in place. So I'm going to put it on now and see if it fits better in the smaller hole. Much better. So it's not as sloppy. So, y'all look. These directions are pretty bad. It doesn't show too well. Hopefully my video would be able to help you out some. And to be honest, there's no way to know whether this arm, at least that I can tell, whether, see, here's the center of the arm. Okay, that's where this plastic piece pivots. There's nothing in the directions that tell me whether the center of the arm should be to this side, you know, towards the center of the windshield, or it should be to this side, towards the edge of the car. But this is what I'm going with. As long as it comes down and it doesn't hit this arm, I'm going to be fine. and I'll double check that whenever I get done. You never know, I may have to end up taking them off and flipping them around. All right, now let me go replace the other side. Okay, see, this is the way it was to start with. It takes me 2 hands to do it. But what I did is I held it like this. I put this finger on this side, and I put my other finger, same finger, on the other side, and I push towards me, because there's like a U or a V-shaped thing that goes around this pin that goes through here. It's gonna be kind of hard to show it on video, but let's see if I can. There we go. May not even be able to see it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna flip it around, okay? And that's the one I'm gonna use on the other side, on the passenger side. Y'all, there may be a better way than using a screwdriver, but here I am over there on the passenger side, and like I say, we got this pin. The other wipers have like this little lever that you can push down on to relieve the pressure of this. And maybe this one would work, but you know, I am doing this one-handed, so hey, every little bit helps. So I'm gonna stick a screwdriver in here. All right, got that pulled apart, and y'all, I can't do this one-handed. I'm gonna put the phone down and pull that off the rest of the way, okay? I did have to pull up on the plastic just then to try and pull it off. It's still not off. There we go. Did you hear how hard that thing popped down? I'm glad I had a towel here, because I wouldn't have wanted it to hit the windshield that hard. So, let me think about this one. The other one, we had the center of the pin, and the hole is on this side. Okay. So we want to put it here. There we go. All right, all I got left to do is pull these little protective pieces off, and I'm gonna lower the windshield wipers down. Between videos, I actually already checked it, and the one on the driver's side does not come down to hit this, so I do have these on correctly. Okay, I hope this has been helpful to you. This is putting the conventional Spectrum DirectFit windshield wiper blades by Bosch on a 91 Camaro. Now there's a lot of cars that's got this pin set up. I believe that's an older style, and I could be wrong. They may be used on a lot of other vehicles these days, but that's the way you get it on, and that's the way you take the other one off. Probably taking this off would be easier, two-handed, and pushing down on this tab to relieve the pressure that the plastic has got on it when it's gripping on it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Again, Spectrum DirectFit, they were $15.99 a piece, and I got them at O'Reilly's. All right, hope y'all have a good day, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.